Grounding sensory meditation. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Allow your body to settle, your spine to be tall yet relaxed, and your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Letting tension melt away. Again, breathing in nice and slow, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, letting tension melt away. Breathing in deep and slow through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, letting tension melt away. Continue to breathe like this, steady and gentle, as we move into the meditation. First, bring your awareness to what you can see. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to look around your space. Silently, name 5 things you can see. Notice their colors, shapes, or textures, and then gently let each observation go. Now close your eyes again and bring your attention to touch. Name 4 things you can feel. This could be the chair beneath you, the floor under your feet, the softness of your clothing, or the temperature of the air on your skin. Take a slow breath with each sensation. Next, focus on your hearing. Name 3 sounds you can hear. Perhaps distant traffic, birds outside, or the hum of a nearby appliance. Let each sound rise and fall in your awareness without judgment. Shift to your sense of smell. Name 2 scents you can identify. They may be strong or faint. The smell of your surroundings, fresh air, or even your own skin. Lastly, bring your attention to taste. Name 1 thing you can taste in your mouth. even if it's subtle, like the freshness of your breath or a lingering flavor. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to your senses and to this breath right here, right now. Take another deep, nourishing inhale and a long, easy exhale. Slowly blink open your eyes, taking in the space around you with a fresh sense of calm and presence. Carry this awareness with you as you return to your day.